Nygain. Jag la min stopploss på 23,80,7. Så måste dela länken snabbt här, innehåll och skicka ut den där jävla idén. Jävlar, kan det gå lite snabbare. Yo, 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 my people, my people. Let's do this thing. All right, so first and foremost, did anybody jump into the gold sell that I just called out on Telegram? And I just also called out the Mexican peso sell again. So we're gonna look at those two, both of them. Gold is chopping around at our entry, but it's, oh no, it's looking a little bit better now. Perfect. So, talk about sniper entry, right? I gotta brag sometimes when I get it. But anyways, I hope you caught this sell. It's a perfect reversal. What made me take this one? It's not a 100% guaranteed trade, of course. It's never. What you can do first and foremost, what you can do now is move stop loss to break even. Not break even, sorry, just above these highs. I don't know where you entered, but if you entered like me up here, when I called it out, then you have you can make it to about a 4 pip stop loss. So basically, it's almost break even. Because if it takes out these highs, it has no business up here, returning up here now. If it does so, then we probably will create a new higher high, and we will have to look for another entry. But okay, with that said, oh, it's dumping nicely. I really hope you guys took it. Give me 1 second, I just gotta check my positions. Gotta see that everything is running as it should. All right, nice. I got my brother Daniel here beside me, so that I get good consultation and support while streaming, because sometimes it's many things in the same time. So that's that. 1 second, just gotta put up the take profit. Boom, that's one. And that means the second one is going to be 420. So, okay, that's it. Perfect. Gotta be right with this. Same thing here. All right, cool. So, back to this. First and foremost, let's look at the gold trade idea. What made me take this trade? Daily time frame. What do we have? A lot of sideways action, right? Took all-time high and 2,450 about ish. Broke down, proper pullback, pulled up a little bit, proper pullback again, broke structure further down. And here's the thing. We've been in a sort of a box here for, how long is this? Since May 24th, all right? So that's like 3 months now. We've been in sideways action. Had some proper dumps, but always pulling back up again, dumping, pulling back up again. But what has happened now is, the difference now is, I'm gonna remove these are old notes. What has happened now is that we have our order block here. If you zoom in on I think it's the 4 hourly or the hourly. Market tapped into that perfectly and created a new higher high. It broke this structure here, all right? And this is the high that created this low. So it was very important to take out this high and close above it on the daily. And that's what we did. We closed above it on the daily. And now on the pullback, what happened? If you guys saw the chat in the Telegram yesterday, it was a little discussion about buying. I think it was somewhere around here. It must have been. And I said, I was also bullish, but I said, I think before we go up, we're going down first to this fair value gap down here, taking out these lows, all these lows, because we got liquidity stuck here, boom, 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 boom. And we did it perfectly. Tapped in. I missed the entry because it went so fast, so I missed it. Wanted to take it, but yeah, it is what it is. And then market ran. all the way up here into this order block. But that's the thing. We're in a massive order block here now, a strong order block. And market needs some form of reaction here. It doesn't need to be big. It doesn't need to dump through this order block and make a proper retracement. It can just dump down 50 pips, 60 pips, or whatever it is. We took the trade at about 23.78, so it can easily dump down to about 23.73. That's about 50 pips. I would say down to the EMA or the bottom of this fat ass order block. We'll see. So that's what made me take the trade, that we hit the top of this order block and we started to see rejection. So more often than not, we do turn from there. But now, unfortunately, it looks like this market is turning on us. What is... it went with some volume also. Damn. So everything was looking good until it didn't look good anymore. Yeah, it took out the highs. So with that said, like I said, it has no business above these highs. If it goes above these highs, then I'm looking for the market to continue up a little bit more. No, let's see. Let's see. Damn, maybe. And if you think I'm talking to myself, then I'm talking to Daniel. He said liquidity sweep. But I don't know what's going on right now. This thing wants to push up. That was not a liquidity sweep. Let's just hope that we have better luck with the Mexican peso then, which we seem to have. And we need to take out this low here. Damn! I looked away 1 second and looking at it. Damn. All right, talking about being wrong. We were dead wrong on this one. Oh yeah, and what made me take the trade more also was this proper push before leading up to New York, because that's like typical before New York. You see that push, or basically a liquidity sweep, and then market turns. Doesn't mean that it won't turn yet, but the zone that we marked out got played out massively. So I said in the beginning, I hope you guys are on this trade. Now I hope you guys are not on the trade. But it is what it is. This is trading. If you can't accept losing, you have no business in trading. Because trading, a part of being a good trader is to, it sounds fucked up, but being a good loser. You gotta accept the losses. You gotta understand how that losing is a part of trading. What happens is that when you do that, then you don't try to revenge trade. You don't go into FOMO trades, and that is when you become profitable, because then you don't do those degen stuff that leads to massive losses. So you can start stacking up, so your wins start overshadow your losses. They are much greater than your losses, and that's how you make a consistent profit in the long term. All right. This is what it is. We followed the strategy, but it played us out. That's how it is sometimes. Like I said, this one hopefully goes as we want it to. Looks good so far. Yeah, looks very good so far. I hope somebody of y'all took it here, because this is my second. This is a re-entry actually. I took it first time here. I think it was, no, sorry, I took it first time here, and then I called it. Yeah, if you guys been with me for a while on the Telegram, then you guys know I took it first time here at about 1850. Then I took it again here, got stopped out at break even, re-entered, but I took some profits here, proper profits. I think it was like 90 pips or something. Re-entered here, and now re-entering again on the sell. And what makes me take this sell is, like I've said it a couple times before, but if you're new, then it's because the Mexican president election. And always when you have that president election, what happens is that, let's go on a weekly time frame. And let's go to the futures. So this is the Mexican peso future, all right? Look now. 2006. All right, 2006. Just before the president election, what happened? Market dumped. And somewhere in the middle of June, boop, it switched and started to pump. And then here, where are we? Here, next election, 2012. Market dumped. And somewhere in beginning of July, no, sorry, in the in June, it switched and started to pump. And then same thing, 18, dumped, mid of June, switched, started to pump. And now, let me just see something. 18th of July, it got its top at about August. And if we go here, yeah, this one went on for a while. August. All right, so, and now what do we have? 2024. Market dump, and it's making its way up now, right? So, because this is the Mexican peso future, and what we are trading is US dollar versus the Mexican peso, it means if the Mexican peso goes up, US dollar versus Mexican peso goes down, right? It's in reverse. It's like you're trading gold, gold versus the dollar. When dollar goes up, gold goes down normally. So, or it used to. Here you see this thing has switched and started to pump, which means on the US dollar Mexican peso, it has switched and started to dump. And that's where we are at. So we are catching this dump. It's the fundamentals. Remember, it's always the fundamentals that are driving the price. Liquidity is the fuel. The fundamentals are the driver that pushes it. How is our gold doing? Maybe it actually was a liquidity sweep. Damn. Let's see. Let me say this. I'm not entering until we clear at least this low here. And probably on the pullback. So that would be like this if I'm selling. Maybe we have switched now and are in a buy market. Yeah, that was a rough one. Our AUD CAD trade that I called out this morning is stuck sideways, which is good because sideways means accumulation. As long as it doesn't wick out below our stop loss, then it's all good. I'm looking for a major pump here. Hope you guys took the EJ trade that we took together on the live session. I think it was yesterday. Has done really good. The GJ trade as well, done really good. Euro USD, I took it this morning. I didn't call it out though. It's not much happening. Come on, peso. Pump, dump. Let's look at crypto a little bit, all right? Here's a setup that is already over. That is past. Let me look at this.
Peso going down. And dollar going down on peso. It's very lovely.
Solana is dumping. Okay, interesting. Interesting. I thought it would switch actually. And these green bluish boxes that are marked out are always order blocks. Hope you guys took the Solana trade. Anyway, when you take these trades, Solana, crypto, here's the Solana trade that I called out. Massively in profit. When you take these trades, take them on Bybit. Bybit derivatives trading. By far the best platform to trade these kind of trades on. To do these kind of trades on. Or if you're trading funded accounts, I highly recommend CryptoPips. Use our affiliate link and the discount code, and then you will have 20% off. And you can trade on weekends also. Most crypto pairs. They have most crypto pairs. And really good spread also. I'm looking at Solana because I'm looking at an entry for Solana. I think we have a proper setup here. I want to get some confirmations before I catch that one. Perfect. Inside the sweet spot also. This one is beautiful. Alright, just 1 second after I'm going in with a small lot on the Solana trade on my Bybit account. By the way, I'm going to start opening up my Bybit copy trading. I have an account in Bybit copy trading. It's up 80% so far in less than a month. And I'm going to start opening it up for the general public. So for y'all to trade. Not to trade, to copy. So I can copy trade it. I can connect it to your account, and it's just passive income for you. You don't have to do nothing. It will automatically take the same trades that I take. If you're interested in it, DM me on Telegram, comment or something, whatever. Reach out.
Make yourself heard.
Yeah. And everything is transparent with the track record and everything, all the results, everything is transparent. Of course, you see the trades on your account, so there's no messing around with that stuff. Let's see if this thing stops and turns. What is the peso doing? Yeah, it took out the low. This is the one I wanted to take out. Wicked back, and now it's pushing further. Perfect. Is anybody in on the peso trade?
Yes, sir.
Jumped in.
Yeah.
Yo, all the rest of y'all can't write or what? I know you can't unmute yourself, but I can't write in the chat. Let me know. Are you in the peso trade or not? There we go. Come on. Dump, baby. And Euro USD has a hard time breaking out. If it comes back and retests the entry, I would definitely say it's a good re-entry position. Only thing is time-wise, you got to keep in mind that Powell speaks 4 p.m. Central European time. All right. So, yeah. Yesterday when he spoke, it didn't shake up the market very much. We had some movements. What is yesterday? Monday, Tuesday. Here, Tuesday, 4 p.m. Boom. Yeah, we had definitely had some movements, but that was it. So let's look at the dollar instead. Yeah. Yeah, he got the market to rally a little bit. So let's see what happens today when he speaks. He just accumulating heavy. It's going to burst in some direction. Question is where. Interesting. It's creating an order block here. Let's see. By the way, for long-term investment, highly recommend TON. Oh my God, this is TON is a token of Telegram. Telegram got so much going for it. It's definitely an app for the future. I cannot speak too much about it because I don't know too much about it. I don't know the technicals and details, but what I do know is this. It runs on a blockchain. It's decentralized. You can, as you know, call on it, send messages on it, build groups on it, build channels on it, communities. You can stream on it, just like on Zoom or whatever. But here's the thing: you can send crypto on it. So you can send TON, for example, its own token. It has its own wallet. You can build games on it. You can do a lot of stuff on it. They have opened up for the future. So in one app, you can communicate, send money, build groups, have your community, everything in one app that is decentralized. So no security breaches, hacking, this and that. Sorry, but running on a decentralized network. So TON is, or Telegram is definitely an app for the future. And if you want to invest in it, TON is a token to look at. If you see, like you're looking at it, it has gone up a lot. I know, but trust me, it's going to go up a lot more. This is just the start. That's one token for the future. And Solana is definitely the second one. don't like my Solana trade anymore. Come on, man. And gold is bullish. Gold has turned. The thing is, why I'm not entering it bullish is because of this here. I'm going to show you guys. Look at this here. So here's where the price is now. I don't know if you can see the line, but this is where the price is now. Order block, order block, order block. All of this here is basically, there's so much liquidity here, so it could turn at any point. So I don't even want to consider an entry here. It's just is what it is, and we'll leave it like that. It will probably go up a bit more now when it took out this low, this high, but how much we don't know. So it is what it is. We don't need to be on every trade. Question is, are we breaking 2400 today, the magic level? Or at least taking out these tops. We'll see. All right, guys. Yeah, I ain't saying too much, and I ain't saying much more. Gold is where it is. I'm not. Of course, it's bullish. There's no discussion about it. I'm not getting into any trade there anymore. We are in sell on the Mexican peso, looking good. Euro USD, AUD CAD is sideways. So that's it. Market is quite still before the Jerome Powell speech. But expect heavy volatility when the New York Stock Exchange opens in about 50 minutes, 3:30 Central European time. All right, guys, with that said, have a beautiful day, trade safe, and be blessed. Peace.